Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we gonna talk about the frequently asked questions about the TierPoint's database management services. What maintenance processes can TierPoint database support? TierPoint database services include an array of maintenance processes, including but not limited to index management, maintenance, statistic updates, consistency checks, and local backups. Reach out to our experts for more information. TierPoint database services include an array of maintenance processes, including but not limited to index maintenance, statistic updates, consistency checks, and local backups. Reach out reach out to our experts for more information. So thanks for watching our today's video. We hope you like the video. Share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.